this is the toilets here. They are literal squat toilets. I just want to show you that. So we're gonna try to navigate this. I'm in the Oman airport right now. I'm definitely gonna try to navigate this situation. So I think I like late night flights. I'm gonna do more of them because the airport is like basically empty. It's easier to get through security. It's just less stressful in general. What do you feel? How do you feel about late night flights?
Yeah, there's less people. It's less stressful.
Mm-hmm. Our plane was super packed though,
Yeah.
And like I'm tall, as you all know, I'm tall. So I didn't have a lot of room, but when I took out all the magazines and stuff they had in the pocket, it actually gave me a lot more room. So when we go back on our returning flight, well, you know what, I'm going to show you all the footage. I'm just going to put the footage in here so that you all can see the size of the actual seats. So we finally made it out there for you all. The airport is really nice, and we are on our way to our hotel. So yeah, we check in. I'll let you all know about how the check-in was and just our initial response.
Alright.
Alright guys, so we just got in. It is super early in the morning. It's like 2 o'clock. I'm so tired I can barely talk. The hotel, there was a guy that helped us, I guess the bellboy, and he already brought our suitcases up. And so far the service has been great. What do you think?
Yes, I think it's been excellent.
So they're currently under renovation, so they gave us some free breakfast and things of that nature. But let's look at this room. So we're in room 347. This door is heavy.
It is.
What do you think so far? Wow, this bathroom is nice. What do you think, Eric?
Yes, it is very, very nice.
The tub, and I think it's a window here. It's a really nice tub. Shower. So here's a full of the bathroom. On this side we have closets, of course. And here's the closet. Told you already brought our stuff up for us. We have free water and tea and coffee. A place to dry our bathing suits and towels. An in-room safe. And here is the room. Let's look at this view. Look how beautiful it is. Our view is absolutely amazing. Gorgeous.